G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, I have a few awesome packages arriving soon. And this one, you're going to see at least 2 more videos about. Okay, so today is just a quick unboxing. Let's do this. Okay, and there we have it. I have a new PM2. It took me years to get this. In S45VN, if I can focus. All murdered out. Fantastic knife. Thank you very much, the knife guy. I just need to move that clip because it's irritating the life out of me. Okay, I'll show you in the next video. I think we will do specs and all the normal things, and then after that I will swoon over this knife. Okay, enjoy your Friday, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.